Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, we are again here today to talk about a very useful subject, which is the donation of Zakatul Fitr. Zakatul Fitr is a charity, but at the same time it's an obligation to perform before the end of Ramadan or at the end of Ramadan on the celebrating day Eid al-Fitr. We'll explain more about time. Originally, Zakatul Fitr should be given in accordance with the staple food in the country where you live. In Senegal, for instance, it ought to be given in rice, because rice is the staple food here. However, it has been noticed that if you give it to someone in need, they tend to sell it for cash in return and spend it on goods for Eid al-Fitr. Originally, Zakatul Fitr was aimed at helping discreetly those who observed fasting and didn't have the means to celebrate Eid al-Fitr in order to prevent them from begging. As a result, it appears that what one was meant to donate in food, if they estimate it and give it out in cash, is more helpful and discreet to the receiver, because times have changed. Everyone should then donate the equivalent of 2.5 kilograms of rice in cash. In Senegal, for example, 2.5 kilograms of rice would cost around 750 sefa, because 300 sefa is more sensible and agreed upon amount. However, for someone who is not in Senegal, wherever you are, you should donate it over there if there are people who need it. But if there is no one who needs it, you can send it to Senegal or your country of origin to people who need it. Zakatul Fitr, in Wolof Murum Koor, originally was recommended to be given out on Eid al-Fitr day prior to its Sunnah prayer. However, many scholars agree upon donating it 2 days before Eid al-Fitr day, in order not to surprise those who take it, so that they will be ready for the celebration. Whoever hasn't got the means to donate Zakatul Fitr can borrow the estimated amount destined to it, provided they know that they will be able to pay it off. If someone cannot pay it once, they can donate what they can until they are able to donate the rest. As long as one hasn't given it out, their recompense for Ramadan will be raised between heaven and earth. All this is based on the Maliki school of thought teachings, Madhhab Imam Malik. As a reminder, it is estimated at 750 sefa per individual in Senegal, as rice is the staple food here. Nota bene, 2.5 kilograms of rice or crop, equaling the measurement of volume, it is made up of 4 mud, and a mud is a smaller container. Prepared by your brother in Islam, by Dambay Touba Longor, and translated in close collaboration with Brother Muhammad Bawa from England. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.